Hi guys, I have another tutorial for you. This time it's about corner to corner crochet. If you've never done it, you should. It's really fun to do. It's really easy. It's just chains and double crochets. And you can turn any cross stitch image into a cushion or a blanket. And yeah, well, there's only one disadvantage, and that is that you need all these different bits of color because, well, with regular crochet you would just, well, I would just tag this along underneath here and then continue on this side, but it will shine through the blue and that's not pretty. So what I do is I take a wooden peg. It costs about €1.50 euros 50 for 20 pieces or so in Holland, so it's not very expensive. These are extra long ones, and I saw this somewhere on Pinterest, I think. This lady did the same thing, but then she started winding around from this side, and that's not handy because then if you want to continue with your work you need to unwind all the yarn, but if you start on this side you can turn it into a center pole yarn ball. So I just put my peg like that, and then I start winding around the peg, but really loosely, especially in the beginning. Turn your peg so it will be spread evenly. Really loosely. I sort of, use my fingers to do like this, and then I turn the peg. In the beginning it might be hard to do, but it's a perfect solution once you get the hang of it. Also with a regular center pole yarn ball, I use it all the time. So, and when you get to the end, you just tuck your finger underneath, put the yarn over your finger, and I hope you can see what I'm doing. I put the yarn from right to left, and then underneath from left to right, in between, and then I pull it tight like this, and the last bit I tuck underneath, and that's it. Once you well, now you can attach it to your work until you need it, and when you need it just start pulling from the center. In the beginning it might be hard, but that's why you need to put it wind it really loosely. That becomes easy. Then you can just take out as much yarn as you need and then attach it to your work. And that's it. You can continue crocheting. I hope you like my tutorial. I hope you can use it. Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Bye!